This is the Lord choosing Obagi Regional Headquarters, OB30 location of Obagi. Wow. Glory to the Lord. And this is their permanent, this is the permanent, supposed to be the permanent headquarters, the permanent location.